नमस्कार. दिल से गोमंतक ह्या कार्यावळीत येवकार आयज आमच्या स्टुडियोत आयिल्ले आसा वेदिका कारकल. गोंयची एक अशी आस्तुरी जेणी मॉडलिंग क्षेत्रांतूय आपलें नांव केलें. मिस गोवा हें टायटल ताणें फावो केलें आनी त्याच्या उपरांत ताचें शिक्षण मँगलोर हांगासर जाल्ल्या कारणान म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या मल्टिपल लँग्वेजीचेर ताजो प्रभुत्व आसा आनी आतां गोंयांत तेणी एक नवें पिक्चर म्हटल्यार आय सायबा हातूंत आपलें पदार्पण केलेलें आसा आनी एक्टींग क्षेत्रांत ते पाविल्ले आसा. आयज ताचे कडेन आमी भासाभास करतले. सगळ्यात पयलीं वेदिका तुका येवकार आमच्या ह्या कार्यावळीत. तुजी जर्नी सुरू जाली म्हणटा ती मँगलोर हांगासर.
बँगलोर.
ओके, बँगलोर. शिक्षण तुजें थंय जालें.
Yes.
सो कानडी भाशेचेर तुजो प्रभुत्व आसा आनी आतां तुवें परतून आपल्या मायभुमीन म्हटल्यार गोंयांत येवन तुजें ह्या करियराक तुवें सुरवात केलेली आसा. तेच्या पयलीं तुवें मिस गोवा म्हणून टायटल फावो केलें. आतां तूं एक्टींग क्षेत्रांत पावलें आय सायबा. सो कशें कितें तूं फिल्मांनी पावलें आनी गोंयांत येवन तुजी ही कारकीर्द कशी सुरू जाली?
Actually, 2021, when I participated in a pageant,
ओके.
Miss Goa pageant ashile, and I just took part in it. And my family wanted me to take part, so I went there, and yeah, it really changed my perspective of the glamorous field, and it put me on a stage where I learned what my strengths are. So that night I went there and I won the title Miss Goa 2022.
Okay.
So from then I have been having the support, and the Goan audience has always backed me. And I Saiba movie and the character Amruta is something that connected with the audience.
Okay.
And that's how I'm here today. Yeah.
सो एक म्हणजे कोंकणी भाशा तुका उलोवपाक कळटा?
See, म्हाका कळटा, but ते accent नी because I speak I'm multilingual.
Okay.
So I have I'm maybe not having the right accent. So I would.
बट एक
Yes.
कोंकणी फिल्मान तुका म्हटल्यार कोंकणी भाशेचेर तितलें प्रभुत्व नासतना
Oh,
तुका
yes.
चान्स मेळ्ळो आनी
Yes.
कशा तरेन दिग्दर्शकान तुका अप्रोच केलें किंवा सिलेक्ट तुजें कशें केलें?
See, this process happened overnight.
ओके.
I was in Bangalore, and I got a call from Bangalore ki ashe ek role asa, shooting was on, and they wanted me to fly overnight because there was some problem with the character, and they couldn't continue with that. So my first thing was, okay, this is my home, Goa. So I will take that flight. I took that flight overnight, and I got to Goa, and I got into Amruta's character.
Okay.
And yeah, I did have support from the directors, and language, more than speaking, if you understand the emotions, is what an actor needs. So yeah, I had a script and I had the right guidance, and that way I went to. Yeah.
म्हणजे कोणाचें तरी सिलेक्शन जाल्लेलें बट ते अवेलेबल नाशिल्ल्या कारणान तुका आतां संदी मेळ्ळी.
Yes.
सो हाच्या पयलीं आनी खंयच्या पिक्चरांनी म्हणजे कोंकणी व्यतिरिक्त पिक्चरांनी की तुका मल्टिपल लँग्वेजीस कळटा, सो खंयचे रिजनल फिल्म्स बीन केला तुवें?
So I got a opportunity in the Kannada industry. My debut was in a movie called Just Married, and there it was a completely different language again.
Okay.
But I think this is what an actor's strength is. You have one language that you speak in, communicate in. And then there are multiple languages, so we have to grasp that. Yeah, that comes as a challenge.
ओके. सो कन्नडा इंडस्ट्रीन एक बरो आतां दर्जो मेळत आसा, म्हणजे KGF मागीर कांतारा उपरांत आतां. सो त्या इंडस्ट्रीन काम केलां तुवें कन्नडा?
See, our movie was produced by the production that made music for Kantara.
Okay.
So this was from their production house. It is by C.R. Bobby ma'am and Ajnish Loknath sir. They are very popular names in Karnataka.
Okay.
So this was a really, life-changing opportunity for me, where I went there, and I was amidst, 10 South Indian superstars.
Okay.
And I was just a fresher there. And I got to experience how to face the camera, and I learned a lot. Take Back was a lot from that.
खंयचे मूवी केल्ले तुवें थंय?
Just Married.
ना आनी मूवी जो केलो ते बिग प्रोडक्शन म्हणटा कर्नाटकाचे.
Yes.
सो आतां ते जे पिक्चर आहा ते त्या लेवलाचेर कर्नाटकान गाजता. म्हणजे ती जी आतां पयलींच्यान पिक्चरां जी आसा एक बरे प्रोडक्शनाचे, म्हणजे आतां हे हुमले म्हणटा ते एक
Hombale
हुंबाले
Films.
फिल्म्स.
So Kantara is Hombale Films, but the music is the soul of Kantara, and that was made by the productions which I worked with.
ओके.
Yes.
सो गोंयान तुका कशें कळ्ळें की हे फिल्म जावपाचें? हे रेफरन्स तुजो कसो मेळ्ळो थंय?
I Saiba.
हय.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was an overnight process.
Okay.
So I got a call. I received a call saying that so and so is the director and producer. I heard the story. It was a beautiful story, and my first reaction was it's a completely Goan soul and heart. The story revolves around a Goan something that we've all grown up watching, the theatre.
Okay.
So I really connected with that. And
It's a comedy genre film,
It's a comedy genre. It has everything: emotions, comedy. Yeah.
आता लंडन प्रदर्शित झालं तुमच्या
Yes.
फिल्म.
We had 3 weeks in London.
ओके.
Yes.
तू गेल्ले?
No, I didn't go there. But I did hear from our director who was around there.
Okay.
And he said that we did a good job in London.
सो आय सायबा ह्या पिक्चरान म्हणजे नामनेच्या कलाकारांनी काम केलेलें आसा. जॉन डिसिल्वा, मागीर केविन डिमेलो.
Yes.
कसो एक्सपिरियन्स आसलो त्यांच्या बरोबर काम करपाक?
Yes, like I said, our Goan household names, John De Silva sir and Kevin DeMello and everyone. It was really great for me, working with Goan superstars also.
Okay.
So I think both the movies that I've worked in, I have really got introduced to some of the best people in our industry, in the cinema industry. And it's always good to, take back this connection from whatever you work for. Yeah.
सो तूं आतां वेगवेगळ्या रिजनल फिल्मांनी काम केलेलें आसा. कोंकणी पिक्चरान काम केले उपरांत कशें दिसता, म्हणजे कोंकणी पिक्चरांचो दर्जा खंय पावला, भायल्या राज्यांनी कोंकणी पिक्चरा कडेन लोक कशे पळयतात अशें दिसता तुका?
So आमचे आई साहेबा's main aim was to show Goan life on a big screen.
ओके.
And that big screen doesn't mean, just limited. We wanted to go to that INOX level, the PVR, and what next?
Okay.
We wanted to go out of India, and we shot that.
ओके.
So we believe that Goa also has, deep interests, and we have a lot of talented people out here. And I think the government should give the, whatever is required to help them.
आता
But
भायली पिक्चरां गोंयान शूट जाता, म्हणजे मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉलिवूड फिल्म्स दे शूट इन गोवा. सो गोंयचे पिक्चर जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना भायल्या लोकांक पळोवचें कशें कित्याक दिसना ते पिक्चर?
see, because like I said, we are a small state.
ओके.
So we're very attached to our own community. But someday we will get there. That day is not far. We started with Ai Saiba. We reached out there.
Okay.
It's not far that day.
सो कोंकणी सिनेमा एक पॅन इंडियन सिनेमान पावचो कसो दिसता तुका?
Yes. Surely.
तुजी मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्रात सुरवात खंयच्यान जाली? तुमचे म्हाका दिसता वडील जे आसा तुमचे डॅडी फोटोग्राफर.
Yeah, it started with some brand collaborations. I started there, and I submitted those pictures to this pageant, and it started with the pageant. Yeah.
तेंच्यांनी तुमकां सपोर्ट बीन दिलो त्या क्षेत्रात येवपाक?
See, I think in the end it depends on your individual commitment, and from a particular stage when you're there, you have multiple directions to choose from. Suppose you want to continue in modeling, you continue there. But I chose a completely different path, which was acting.
ओके.
So yeah, they are different paths. Yes.
तूं शिकला कितें, म्हणजे थंयच्यान कॉलेज लायफांतल्यान तुका ओड लागली मॉडेलिंग काय?
It was, I would say that
तुजें शिक्षण कितें जालां?
I'm an MBA grad. I just completed my MBA.
ओके.
So that way I'm doing multiple things at once. Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah.
एक टायम असो आशिल्लो की मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्रांत म्हणजे एडवर्टिजमेंट भाग बीन म्हणून पळयताले. तुवें मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्रांत कितें म्हणून एप्रोच जालें तूं?
I didn't get your approach.
म्हणजे एक आवड, पॅशन म्हणून, आवड म्हणून काय एक कमोवपाचें साधन बीन ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान?
See, for me, passion, yes, it is there. But I want to be someone who is, spreading a word to the youngsters that if you have a dream, you have a passion for something, you should always try your best. When I went on the stage, I didn't know that I will come back with a crown.
ओके.
So I just would like to spread social word for social cause. Yeah.
सो आतां रील्स किंवा म्हणजे कंटेंट क्रिएटरांचो जमानो आसा, म्हणजे तेजो प्रभाव मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्राचेर पडला असो दिसता तुका? म्हणजे
That is also a completely different category, I would say. Social media influencers, we have multiple. And then we have acting, and we have modeling, and we have various fields in this also. It's not just restricted to one. Yeah.
तू करता कंटेंट क्रिएटिंग?
I am, I would say yes, I'm into content creating. I
Awesome.
think we have a wide option here to explore what is meant for us.
ओके. सो आतां तुजे कडेन 2 अशे दांडगे एक्सपिरियन्स आसा, अनुभव आसा. म्हणजे एक तर मॉडेलिंग जालें आनी त्याच बरोबर एक्टींग हितूनय पाविल्लें आसा. एक्टींग तुवें पयलीं खंय शिक्षण घेतलां?
No, I didn't take an acting school. But I have been blessed. I went on sets which had really talented people and superstars, and they've always, helped brushing me. So when I went as a fresher there, I had people who have experienced this screen, and they've really been helpful. And I've had great directors. So yeah.
स्कुलान आनी कॉलेजीन सुद्दां केन्ना काम करूंक ना एक्टींग?
No.
ते आय सायबातले डायरेक्टर्स किंवा तुजे को एक्टर्स तुका एप्रिशिएट करता की ते फर्स्ट टायम आय सायबा ह्या मुवीन काम केलें आनी एक फ्रेशर आसतना सुद्दां एक बरो परफॉर्मन्स दिला म्हणून. सो तुजी तोखणाय जाता, एप्रिशिएशन जाता.
I think I Saiba is something that will always be close to my heart.
Okay.
Because that was the first movie where I got recognition.
Okay.
And I gained a family, a cinema family. The
Okay.
people whom you're talking about, they have been helpful to me throughout the journey again. Because language, learning, everything. I think a cinema becomes, when you work in a cinema, it becomes more like a family to you.
Okay.
So whatever you come back with, you have a new family now. So for me,
सो आतां कोंकणी तुजी तितली स्पश्ट ना. मागीर ह्या फिल्मान तूं कोंकणी उलयला काय डबिंग बीन केला तुका?
I did have a dubbing, but my lines were taken by me. Yes.
ओके. एक्सप्रेशनाचेर सुद्दां सगळें तुवें
Yeah,
picture
see,
केलेलें
that's
आसा.
the emotions and the language I understand.
Okay.
But maybe because to give justice to the role, I did not want to go wrong with the accent. So we went ahead with dubbing. Yeah.
ओके. आनी गोवा, कर्नाटका हेच्या व्यतिरिक्त खंयची रिजनल फिल्म्स केला तुवें?
Right now it's only Goa and Karnataka, but I'm aiming to go ahead to
तुका तामिलूय कळटा म्हणटा?
Tamil also. Yes. Yeah.
सो कन्नडाचेर तुजें प्रभुत्व आसा, कन्नड ती फ्लुएंटली उलयता?
Yes. Yeah.
म्हणजे तूं रावलें खंय म्हणटा? तुमची फॅमिली गेली ती रावली तुमी?
See, I am from Ponda.
Okay.
I was born in Ponda. I'm a Phonekar.
हय.
But I did my schooling in Bangalore. And I also came back to Goa. But I have always been traveling.
ओके.
And for me, Goa has always been home. Coming back here and, my nuste thali, that's my comfort. Yeah.
कारकला?
Karkala.
कारकला हे खंय पडटा?
Karkala is, it's in Karnataka, and that is a place which has ancestral connections to us only. Yeah.
म्हणजे खुबशे गोंयचे लोक गेले ते थंय रावले अशें म्हणटात. म्हणजे मँगलोरियन
They have migrated from Karkala many million years ago. We don't even know the count.
मँगलोरियन कोंकणी एक आमकां थंयच्यान आयकुपाक
Yes,
मेळटा.
Bangalore and Konkani.
फाटल्या दिसांनी आमकां दिपिका पादुकोणूय कोंकणी उलयता आसतना आमकां दिश्टी पडली मँगलोरियन कोंकणी.
Yes, in fact, we have relations with the Padukones.
Okay.
Yes. So they are also a family similar to us. They
Okay.
also speak the Mangalorean Konkani. Yeah.
सो दिपिका पादुकोण सोयरी तुजी?
Yeah, not very close relatives, but we have some relatives.
सेम विलेजींतली पडटा तुमी?
Yes, yeah.
सो ती वळखता तुका?
No,
हां?
not that way. Yeah.
हां. ती एक नामनेची सेलिब्रिटी, ती बरी
Yes.
मॉडेलिंग
See, I
क्षेत्रांतल्यान
think
ती
we
फुडें आयली.
have so many people from Mangalore that way.
Okay.
Konkani speaking, who have come out in the industry. We have the Shetties.
Yeah.
We have a lot of
Yes.
Shetties in the South industry.
Yes. हय.
In fact, I worked in Just Married, and there also I had a Konkani speaking co-actor.
Okay. Huh?
His name was Shine Shetty. He's
Okay.
a well-known name in the Kannada industry.
ओके. ते कोंकणी उलयतात, मँगलोरियन
Yeah,
कोंकणी.
Konkani and Tulu. It's
Okay.
all a mix. Yeah.
ती लँग्वेज कळटा तुका उलोवपाक?
No.
ती कळना. ती दिपिका पादुकोण उलयता एक बरी आनी ती बरी दिसता आयकोपाक
Right.
मँगलोरियन कोंकणी.
Yes. No, I didn't live there, so yeah.
ओके. तूं हांगा म्हणजे गोंयानूच व्हडलें जालें?
I studied in Goa for a few years, and I went ahead for my schooling to Bangalore. And after that, I came back here for my graduation. Yeah.
सो आतां ह्याच्या फुडें तुजो प्रवास कसो आहा? म्हणजे करियर तुजें ह्याच हितून तूं ग्रो करपाक सोदता, एक्टींग काय मॉडलिंग आणि एडवर्टिजमेंट ह्या क्षेत्रांत वचपाक सोदता?
See, I think, life is a journey. And at no point you have a decision. Even if you're at the end of your life, You should not have a decision that this is what, or a limit, that this is what I'm going to do. So I would say just get on the road and you will enjoy the journey. At
Okay.
some point you'll know what you want. That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट बीन आहा तुझे कडेन कितें आतां सद्या?
It will come out soon. Yeah.
म्हणजे ऑडिशन्स बीन आसता?
Yes, it is going.
आणि
In
मॉडेलिंग
the process.
मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्राशी कितें आहा तुमचें सद्या? ते चालू आसा, मॉडेलिंग चालू आसा?
Yeah, I did not really step into the modeling direction. That's a completely different direction. But I do take up some assignments. Yeah.
ह्याच्या फुडें
Yes.
वचपाक सोदिना तूं? म्हणजे मिस इंडिया ती जी टायटल्स जाता थंय तूं वचपाक सोदना?
That is again a different direction since I have chosen to enter
कित्याक
the
तुवें स्टार्ट केलें
cinema
तेंच्या
industry.
मॉडेलिंगांतल्यान न्ही?
See, a pageant is not necessary that you end up in a particular field only. There is multiple directions and it depends on the person what they choose. So yeah, I chose my
सो तुवें आतां
interest, yeah.
कर्नाटका फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन काम केलां, गोंयानूय काम केलें. टॅक्निकली जी हें आसता म्हणजे एक मातशें तेंचें एक लेवल आसता न्ही, सो गोंयचो दर्जो आनी तेंचे टॅक्निकल वर्क्स कशे आसता ते चड आसा काय आमी?
I would say we in Goa are equally equipped. We have all the things, and I didn't find it any different. It was the same. Yeah, we are equally. They have their own levels. We have our own levels, but
कित्याक आमी-
both were equally good to work in.
कित्याक सावथाची फिल्म्स आमी पळयली जाल्यार ती सदांच म्हणजे एक एक्शन फिल्म आसता आनी तेंचे ते
Right, yes.
प्रत्येक तेंचे डायरेक्शन म्हणून एक लेवल आसता तेंकां.
Right.
इवन बॉलिवूडाक सुद्दां ते फाटीं घालता केन्ना केन्ना. सो तुका मागीर अशें हें दिसना की बाबा मातशें आपूण देंवले काय अशें कितें भेदभाव बी
See,
दिसता तुका?
I think the Goan cinema industry is still a baby. We have just
Okay.
got in here. So we are still, we are finding our own genres. Like we started with a comedy and maybe tomorrow we'll have an action and after that we might have some blockbuster. So we are still climbing that ladder. We'll be there. We'll also be exploring our genres. Yeah.
ओके. सो आय सायबा ह्या टिमी बरोबर तुका कशें कॉपरेट जालें, म्हणजे डिरेक्टर्स आसूं या तुजे को आर्टिस्ट आसूं म्हणजे?
First, all my love to Stanley sir, our director. He is a beautiful soul, and this entire story was his dream. It started with a pen and a paper. He started writing this years
Okay.
ago. And I think he deeply connected not only with the audience but also with the characters, because what he's been writing for years, he saw that in us. That was a faith he had in us. So yeah, I think I Saiba and the entire cast and crew of I Saiba will be something very special.
ओके. तामील एक इंडस्ट्री आसा, सो तामिलान तुका एक्सपिरियन्स आसा किंवा तुवें ऑडिशन्स बीन दिला?
I have I don't have experience yet. I'm just 2 movies old. I'm still exploring my ways. But yes, someday I would love to give a Tamil movie too. Yeah.
ओके. सो भाशेन कितें फरक आसता म्हणजे कर्नाटक आणि म्हणजे
That is Tamil Nadu. Yeah.
सामकी डिफरंट आहा ती लँग्वेज?
Completely. Yes.
पण तुका येता ती उलोवपाक येता?
Yes,
तामील
I
येता?
can speak. Yeah.
ओके. सो म्हणजे एक वेगळ्या भाशेंतल्यान पिक्चर जेन्ना तूं करता तेन्ना कितें म्हणून एक चॅलेंज आसता तुजे कडेन, आव्हान कितें आसता?
See, challenge is I would say that you should understand the emotion. An actor's only job is understanding what your emotions are. When you know the emotion, you can play around with it. You get your lines. Lines are also not important. So you just know what that particular thing means and you do
Okay.
that right. That is what an actor's job is. Yeah.
ओके. ह्या फिल्म किंवा एक एक्टिंग क्षेत्रांतलो तुजो कोण असो इन्स्पिरेशन आसा जो तूं तेका फॉलो करता?
I don't really have any inspiring figure because yeah.
कित्याक मॉडेलिंग क्षेत्रांतल्यान ऐश्वर्या रायला, मागीर तूं
Right.
म्हणटा
Right, I
दीपिका
agree.
पादुकोण.
We have some really talented and beautiful, women in our industry. But yes, they are inspirations to all. But yeah, someday I would like to be that too.
ओके.
Yeah.
एडवर्टीजमेंट बीन तुवें केन्ना केला?
Yes, I work in the Telugu. I work in Hyderabad with some companies.
तेलुगून काम
and-
केलां तुवें
Yes,
म्हणल्यार?
also. Yeah.
सो फिल्म करपाक शकता तूं?
Yes.
शॉर्ट
Hopefully.
शॉर्ट फिल्म्सूच आसता. शॉर्ट फिल्मांनी बीन केन्ना तुवें काम केलां?
No, not yet. Just
Direct,
2 cinemas. Yeah.
व्हडल्या पड्ड्याचेरूच काम, बिग स्क्रीन.
Yes.
ओके. आनी बॉलिवूडान बीन काम करपाक तुवें
Hopefully someday. Yeah.
ओके
It
म्हणजे
will-
कॉन्टॅक्ट्स बीन आसता तुमचे काय
Contacts that
म्हणजे auditions been-
it all depends on talent, I feel. So the day your talent reaches who it has to reach, it will come to you. Yeah.
ओके
Yes.
इफ्फी एक गोंयान जाता सो तूं इफ्फी कडेन कशें पळयता म्हणजे गोंया वेगवेगळी पिक्चरां जाता हांगा तो एक
Right.
फायदो कलाकारांक मेळटा.
Yeah, see, I mean, Goa is a place where we have the most important film festival. So, yeah, we have a platform which supports cinema from all over the world. Then, why not promote our own cinema here? So, I would hope to see more Goan cinemas in the IFFI every year.
ओके तूं वर्कशॉप्स बीन कितें अटेंड करता
No, not really.
कित्याक मास्टर क्लासीस बीन इफ्फीकूय आसता
Right.
सो थंय वेगवेगळे डिरेक्टर्स जाता ते तुमकां शिकयता
Yes.
तेंचे एक्सपिरियन्सूय तुमकां सांगता अशा तरेचे एक माहोल आसता सो ते तुवें केन्ना इफ्फीक अटेंड करूंक ना.
Not yet. No. I'm just
Okay.
2 movies old, and I've just done one with the lead role.
Okay.
And I'm still exploring my ways and opportunities. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट मूवी जो आता तुजो समज येवपाचो आसा म्हणटा तो कोंकणीन येतलो काय आनी खंयच्या रिजनल लँग्वेजीन?
It depends. Yeah.
आं
As I've said, I'm someone who's multilingual.
हय
So I don't, stick to one. So, but we have iCyber 2, and it will
ओके
be coming.
तेजो पार्ट दुसरो येवपाचो आसा.
Yes, iCyber 2.
ओके
So our director is in the process of writing, and it will be out soon. Yeah.
ओके सो मराठीन बीन काम केला मराठी येता तुका?
No, not yet.
ना एक लागची इंडस्ट्री आसा आनी तितूनय एक बरो स्कोप्स आसा. सिरियलांनी कामां करपाची एक संदी तुमकां एक्ट्रेसांक आसता सो थंय ती सिरियल्सां कडेन तुमी कशें पळयतात?
See, I did give some auditions, and the serials did approach, but again, that is a very different direction to choose. So you'll have to, settle there in a particular city,
Okay, म्हणजे
and that
Bombay
also
settle
comes
down.
with a lot of commitment.
ओके
So that is one decision which is very hard to make. So when you're saying that you want to go in the direction of cinemas, so you have to stick there. Yeah.
सो
The television industry and the cinema industry is not the same.
सो कन्नडा इंडस्ट्री बेंगलोर चड आसा न्ही?
Yes, Bangalore.
इवन तामील
Bangalore is the soul of the sandalwood industry.
सगळे साऊथ इंडस्ट्रीचो.
South industry is based, that is in a different city, in Chennai.
कित्याक आमी जेन्ना पळयता न्ही साऊथ इंडस्ट्री ते सदांच बेंगलोरचो उल्लेख चड करतात. ते बेंगलोर कॉलेजीस बीन दाखयतात
Right.
बेंगलोराक शिकता सो तामिलाचे म्हणजे फिल्मांतले.
Yes.
So
Because
ताका लागून.
Bangalore is the garden city of India. So if there is a South Indian movie, Bangalore is a city which is, filled with all the IT companies and everything. So all the stories are always based there.
ओके एक मेसेज म्हणजे गोवन जे आतां कलाकार असतात
Yeah.
तांकां फिल्मांनी काम करचें किंवा डायरेक्टरांक किंवा कोंकणी पिक्चर सद्या जो प्लॅटफॉर्म एक ताका मेळिल्लो आसा ते कोंकणी फिल्मां खातीर तुजो एक कितें मेसेज आसतलो?
See, like I said, I think the Konkani industry is just discovered its potentials, and we have some support that we have received from the government, and we're grateful for that. And I would say that I think we should not belittle ourselves. We have a lot of scope here, and request to all the directors and writers to put your dream in action. Yeah.
सो हे आशिल्ले वेदिका कारकल एक गोंयची आस्तुरी जे सद्या गोंयच्या आपल्या नव्या फिल्मांतल्यान तेणी पदार्पण केलेलें आसा. निश्चित ते भविश्यांत कोंकणी शिकतले म्हणटा ते आनी फुडल्या म्हणजे गोवन पिक्चरांत ते परतून काम करपाक इच्छीत आसा. वेगवेगळी ताका मल्टी लँग्वेज आसा ताका लागून मल्टी लँग्वेजीस ताका येता ताका लागून ते वेगवेगळ्या रिजनल फिल्मांनी लेगीत काम करतले. अशा तरेन तेणी एक सुंदर आपलो प्रवास म्हणजे गोंयच्या पिक्चरा विशीं कशा तरेन ते गोंयच्या पिक्चरान काम करपाक पावले हो तेणी प्रवास बऱ्या भशेन आमकां सांगलो. तुमकां तेची म्हायती कशी दिसली हें निश्चित आमकां सांगा आनी पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.